जगन्नाथ यात्रा के बाद यहाँ पे आए हैं वाटर फ्रंट पे और ले रहे हैं हम लोग ये क्रूज़। ये सिटी टूर क्रूज़ है, इंटरेक्टिव है, सब समझाएंगे। आइए देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Myers Maritime Museum. It includes a repair facility for historic vessels run by living classrooms, and it honors the two historically important African Americans whose name it bears. Frederick Douglass lived here as a slave and escaped to freedom in 1838, and Isaac Myers opened Baltimore's first African American owned shipyard after the Civil War. The building, once known as the Sugar House, served as the Levering and Company coffee warehouse just after the Civil War. It is the oldest remaining industrial waterfront building in Baltimore. Fun fact, the reason the building has no sharp corners is due to the owner's belief that it would help spirits flow through the home without getting snagged. This was supposedly done in an effort to allow spirits to travel unhindered through the house, as corners have often been thought to hide ghosts. Harbor Point, to the right, is constructed on the grounds of the old chromium chemical plant, whose history dates back to 1845. In the early 1980s, large quantities of chromium were being released into the harbor, causing the closure of the plant in 1985. Multiple environmental protection agencies implemented a cleanup in 1994. Construction of a deep barrier wall more than 3 feet wide and 70 feet deep began. 2 years later, a cap consisting of natural materials and an impenetrable synthetic liner that covered 15 acres was put in place. Harbor Point is now a 27-acre mixed-use project focused on sustainability and innovation. An exciting, high-profile example of the continuing story of urban renewal and reuse along the shore of Baltimore Harbor.
The Orioles are actually in town this weekend. They are playing against Tampa Bay, and I'm sorry, not Tampa Bay. They're playing against the Toronto Blue Jays. I said the wrong thing. They're playing against the Toronto Blue Jays, and they are currently losing, unfortunately, 2-1.
To the right is Harbor East, another area of waterfront revitalization. Just inland is Baltimore's own Little Italy, settled by Italian immigrants. It still has a strong Italian community and includes a popular restaurant district. As you look inland of the channel, you get a glimpse of the tall red brick tower that is tapered at the top, flying a small flag. This is the Phoenix Shot Tower, also known as the Old Baltimore Shot Tower. It was built in 1828 and stands 134 feet tall. The tower was used to make shots or gun pellets from molten lead dropped from the very top level into a basement water. Additionally, the original pro basketball team, the Baltimore Bullets, was named in honor of its role in producing shots, who is now known as the Washington Wizards. Down below, at the mouth of the channel, is Mr. Trash Wheel. So far, about 2,300 tons of trash have been removed by Mr. Trash Wheel alone.
The large white deck structure is the Pier 6 Concert Pavilion, operated by Brands. It's a great spot to see concerts of major recording artists and local Baltimore talents.
आर के मसाला के होममेड अचार और स्पेशल अचार मसाला, छुंदो, मुरब्बो, गोलकीरी, मेथियो, गुंदा और बहुत कुछ। डेली दाल में भी ऑसम फ्लेवर। बुक योर ऑर्डर नाउ। रूपल पांड्या 9879573939।
The lighthouse became obsolete in 1948 and was transferred to the Baltimore Maritime Museum in 1997.
The White Ship, the U.S. Coast Guard cutter number 37, was designed for law enforcement missions, search and rescue, and U.S. vessels still in commission that had seen action during the 1941 attack of Pearl Harbor. She was decommissioned in 1986 and donated to the city of Baltimore to serve as a memorial and a museum. The National Aquarium on our right is a non-profit organization whose mission is to inspire conservation of the world's aquatic treasures. The 2,200,000 gallon aquarium is ranked as one of the nation's top 3 aquariums, featuring thousands of fish, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals living in award-winning habitats. On the west seawall of the aquarium are the USS Torsk and the lightship Chesapeake. The Torsk was built by the U.S. Navy during World War II. During the 1950s and 60s, the 311-foot submarine operated primarily as a training vessel, which helped to establish her world record of 11,884 dives. The red lightship Chesapeake in front of the Torsk was stationed at the mouth of the bay for 40 years, until the beginning of World War II. During that time, she was converted for wartime duties, painted a battleship gray, armed with 2 cannons, and used as a patrol vessel. In 1945, her bright red was a training ship for the U.S. Naval Academy from 1873 to 1893, and a World War II relief ship. In 1955, it was decommissioned, and in 1968, installed as a museum in its present berth.
So, we are nearing the end of the tour. Just a couple of minutes, we're about to dock. So beautiful here. Picture postcard. Wow.
Are you saying like that's there? I mean, that's on the option. Other option.
Alrighty, I'm sorry to tell you this, but we are headed back into
Maryland's state capital as well. These include 30-minute excursions around Annapolis Harbor, 90-minute trips to various features in and around the Chesapeake Bay, and our famous Day on the Bay cruise from Annapolis to the historic revolutionary town of St. Michael's on Maryland's eastern shore. Of special interest may be our popular and exciting Bay Lighthouse Cruise. Additionally, all our vessels are available for private parties and group outings. Those interested in a closer look at the historic district of Annapolis, the Maryland State House, and the United States Naval Academy should consider our walking tours, a leisurely stroll through town led by a colonial attired guide who will bring early American history to life. Information on these and many other unforgettable experiences.
So, this is the Baltimore Inner Harbor. It's so pretty. This is the National Aquarium. It's like a few floors. Beautiful day. And this ship is for display. So this is like, I don't know, like a museum or what? I don't know. So, historic ships in Baltimore, USS Constellation Education Center, and also this is a water taxi terminal. Beautiful. Wonderful day. So
आर के मसाला के होममेड अचार और स्पेशल अचार मसाला, छुंदो, मुरब्बो, गोलकीरी, मेथियो, गुंदा और बहुत कुछ। डेली दाल में भी ऑसम फ्लेवर। बुक योर ऑर्डर नाउ। रूपल पांड्या 9879573939।
Now we are getting down the staircase. See all the vendors here selling stuff, sunglasses, hats. Someone is playing violin. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Line them up.
Can see. Oh, what a day to hang out. There's a lot of Indians over there too. You can see the water taxi and the visitor center. Wow. And that's our Rath Yatra. दिल को मजा है। We got this guy playing around. Bless you. So, taking a stroll over here. Plain, beautiful day. You cannot find a better day, and it's not very hot or anything. It's pleasant. In the 70, like 70 Fahrenheit, or maybe around 20 degrees centigrade. Let's see all the stuff here, made in Baltimore. And see people in saris.
ऐसा लगता है जैसे इंडिया में कहीं घूम रहे हैं।
देखिए people, lots of Indians. Forward, this is Baltimore Visitor Center. There's the main street. You can see people around here.
रथ यात्रा यहीं
Wow,
पर।
look at this.
So picturesque, like postcard की तरह।
And with the sun, it adds to it. And also they got this city cruise. I think that it's like 1 hour cruise. So the city cruise booth over here is closed. We need to go up, and I can see the theatre over here. You can see the top of the Rath. So this is the city cruise. Okay.